maybe you really don't remember. Or maybe to survive, you just blocked it out of your mind because you couldn't handle it, but it happened. I'm really sorry I left last time without saying bye. I was going through a really rough time, and I just needed to get out of here as soon as I could. Steve? Hey!
I've been looking for you for a couple of months. I'm writing a book. Been having a rough time lately. I'm kind of stuck in between two ideas. I know that there's another way that I have to go. I guess it's a good side, if you want to put it that way. I guess the things I was going to write about were a little naive. Considering that the battle that takes place is a lot more complex than I thought.
But I advise you, you have already stepped over the line.
This group I was involved with, they claimed it was all about spirituality, but it was anything but that. I thought it would be interesting to write about good versus evil, and God against the darkness.
I know that those who dwell in the secret place of the Most High will rest in the shadows of the Almighty. He is my refuge and my fortress. My God, in Him I will trust. It was the evil spirits that tricked you into not seeing what was happening right in front of you. Everything's made new.